the volume of a prism. So a prism is just a shape where you've got a repeated face that is pulled backwards. Okay, so for example, here we have the same triangle, the same triangle, the same triangle repeated lots of times, and it's just pulled backwards. Here we have the same with the L shape, and we have that same L shape just pulled backwards and stretched out. So if you're finding the volume of a prism, then all you need to do is to find the volume of that face that is repeated. Okay, so the volume, the area, so this bit here, and then we're going to multiply it by how far back the shape goes, which we often call the H. So if this was a triangle, for example, and we knew that this was 4 and that it had a height of 3, then the volume of this would be 3 times 4 divided by 2, which is 6. And the reason for that is because it's a triangle and I'm trying to find the area of that face, and the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And then to find the volume, I multiply it by how far back it goes. So if this is 10 centimeters that it's going back, then all I need to do is multiply this 6 by that 10. So 6 times 10, and that gives me 60 centimeters cubed. So that would give me the volume of that whole prism. So whenever you're doing this, it's the area of the front face multiplied by how far back it goes. So we can do the same on this one here. So it's the area of this front face multiplied by 12, since that is how far back it goes. So to find the area of that front face, I might need to split it into 2 areas that I know. So if this measurement is 7 and this is 5, therefore we know that this is 2. Okay, so we know that that's got a height of 2 centimeters. And if this is 10 and this is 6, we know that this part here is 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters along the top edge. So this first top rectangle is 4 times 2, which is 8. So 4 times 2. And then this bottom one here is 5 times 10, which is going to be 50. So the full area of my L shape is 58, and I'm going to now multiply that area by how far back it goes. So I'm doing 58 times by 12, so 58 times 12, which is going to give me 696 centimeters cubed, because it's now volume. And that gives me the volume of the whole